one of the things you need to check with yourself is focus. Am I still focused on God, or am I focused on Satan? Every little thing, every curse. Every little thing, the thing in your father's house. They are more creative at the curses than they have with the blessing. I believe Satan has his own problems. I believe he manipulates. I believe he oppresses. But I also believe that the blessing is stronger than the curse. I believe that you can be so blessed that the curse will look like it doesn't exist. Many of us don't have the language of the blessing. I don't wake up every morning and say, every territorial demon, every territorial power. The one I binded yesterday, if I believe in my word, is bound. Wherever Satan is given attention, his work increase. Sincerely speaking, sometimes in your life, sometimes, not every time. Sometimes the best way to attack him is to ignore him. Satan, I know you are there, but you know what I'm going to do? I ignore you. Focus on God.